What you say? Oh, you want to talk smack today? Oh, so you really think you know numbers 1 through 10 in Spanish? Okay then, let's put that to the test, shall we? So this is how it all gonna go down. This is a multiple choice quiz, and you're gonna have about 3 seconds to get it right. And if you do, great. But if you don't lie, don't front. You need to humble yourself, step back, readjust so that you can get it right and improve. Because out there in the real Spanish-speaking world, Spanish numbers 1 through 10, this is where it all begins. It's important for your money, your phone number, your ID, telling time, everything. So without further ado, let's do the damn thing. Number 1 is uno. U-N-O. Uno. Number 2 is dos. D-O-S. Dos. Number 3 is tres. T-R-E-S. Tres. Number 4. Cuatro. C-U-A-T-R-O. Cuatro. Number 5. Cinco. C-I-N-C-O. Cinco. Number 6. Seis. S-E-I-S. Seis. Number 7. Siete. S-I-E-T-E. Siete. Number 8. Ocho. O-C-H-O. Ocho. And number 9. Nueve. N-U-E-V-E. Nueve. And number 10. Diez. D-I-E-Z. So, how'd you do? Did you do as good as you thought? Or were there a few curveballs in there that threw you for a loop? Now, don't lie to yourself. Be honest. Don't try to hide. Don't try to duck. Don't try to run now. You was talking all that smack then. So be honest. Go on and drop your score in the comments. Hey, if you got a 10 out of 10, great. Got a 7 out of 10, that's okay too. 5 out of 10, hey, just be honest. This is what the Good Enough Spanish channel here is for. It's to help you improve. Ain't no judgment here. But if you didn't do as good as you thought you could, or thought you would, then you need to watch this next detailed 1 through 10 video listed on your screen. See you there.